What's going on YouTube? So today I have the wonderful job of draining my windshield washer fluid because I totally forgot that the last time I had it topped up at the oil change place. They put the summer fluid in instead of the minus 45 winter fluid, and now it's frozen. So got my wife's hair dryer. I'm gonna crank up the heat and hopefully thaw out all the washer fluid and switch it up. So yeah, just a note to yourself, when it's becoming winter time, don't forget to switch out your washer fluid, or you may end up like this where you just can't actually well, wash your windshield. Good times. And at the same time, just to kind of help with it, I've got the engine running on my 2005 Saab 95 Aero. So with the engine running, should heat it up a little bit, help out with speeding up this process, because I don't want to be out here for hours on end dealing with this. Just want to get her done.
Well, at least the good thing about this is the fact that there's no guard or anything under where the washer bottle is, so it should be pretty straightforward. Just get in there and heat her up.
So I'm going to be using oh man, excuse me. Going to be using this oh man, can't think. Brace, clamp, whatever. Yeah, going to be using that, and grab a cloth, throw this in there like so, and actually I just realized that's not going to work because the car's too low. So I'm going to have to do this by hand, and hopefully the results will be good. This is always the fun part, having to drain it. I've been draining this for a bit already, but there we go. I think I'm finally at the end. Maybe. Either that or I'm gonna have to go heat up some more. It's not even saying that it's low. Guess I'll have to go check. Alright, well, after, I don't know, an hour or somewhere around there, I drained most of the fluid out, but now it's just a whole bunch of, looks like a Slurpee, a bunch of crushed ice and whatever inside the reservoir. It's still not showing that it's low, but you can pretty much see the bottom of the reservoir, so I'm just gonna head to the store, grab some minus 45, and hopefully it melts everything else that's in there, and we should be good to go. Well, I'm back from work now. Yeah, I work nights, so anyway, there wasn't much to show at the end of defrosting or de-icing the windshield washer fluid, except that the windshield washers work as they should, and yeah, so what I ended up buying was a 9.46 liter jug of washer fluid minus 45, and yeah, that's what I usually run all the time. It was just my bad. Went to the oil change place and they replaced my washer fluid with summer stuff, and I totally forgot until it froze. So if you ever run into this problem, now you know what to do. You can use a heat gun or just crank the heat on hair dryer and or blow dryer, whatever you want to call it, and just keep melting away. It takes a long time, but I don't know how else to do it.